New for 2025, the Stratasys P3 DLP printer now supports Silicone 25A. This isn't just another material, it delivers the mechanical strength and chemical stability that engineers expect, along with long-lasting performance that you can rely on. Developed exclusively by Shin-Etsu, 25A is designed for demanding applications where tear resistance, elongation, chemical durability and dependable mechanical performance are critical. So where does it excel? We're talking industries like healthcare, aerospace, consumer electronics and industrial manufacturing. So think air and dust gaskets, flexible seals, housings and so much more. Automotive teams will especially value its flexibility and durability for seals and precision components. Testing confirms that 25A maintains a high resilience and stability across a wide temperature range. The result? Repeatable and reliable performance across everything from heavy-duty industrial parts to consumer goods. Curious to see it in action? Reach out to the Tritech 3D team to explore possibilities or request your own sample. We'll be glad to help you put 25A to the test in your next project.